I'm coming in. Oh, there you are, honey. Oof. You look, stunning? Okay, yeah, you look like death warmed over. I told you that you needed to go see the doctor while you were still feeling okay to walk. But no. It's okay, Brian. I'll just tough it out. It's fine, Brian. I can handle a bit of puking. I don't need to see a doctor. I hope you've learned your lesson. No, the lesson is not don't tell Brian when I'm sick or he'll nag me. Here, I brought you some soup and some medicine. Oh yes, you will. I don't care how tough you think you are. You're going to take your medicine, and you're going to like it. Fine then. You may not like it, but you will take it. Good girl. Here, I'm going to wrap my arms around you like this and feed you the soup. It should be cool enough by now. There, all comfy. Open wide. Ooh, a bit too hot? Sorry about that. I'll cool it down for you. There you go. Open wide. Better? Good girl. You know, you can be really stubborn sometimes. I know you're a hard worker, and you're so smart and mature most of the time. But then sometimes you do the dumbest stuff. Like thinking you can just work through getting sick. And now look where you are. Way to go, genius. Please take care of yourself. I get worried about you, okay? Staying up late working, not caring for your health, it's going to take a toll on you. I love you, and I want you to be healthy and happy. I'm sorry for always nagging you. Just remember that I'm always here for you, okay? You don't have to shoulder every single burden yourself, you know? I'm here for you, and I'll help out with anything you need. Oh, looks like the soup is gone. Good girl. Let's just sit here and cuddle then. Feel free to fall asleep in my arms like this. I'll watch over you. I love you, honey.